Okay, I'm back. I pulled off the ends of both of these lighters. Now, what did I find? Look at that. Look at that flint. Toast. Has gas. No flint. No flint. No flint means no fire. How about this one? Didn't open it all the way up. It's the same thing. There's no flint. Freely spins. Absolutely worthless. Don't use BIC lighters in your survival kits. They will not hold up over time. Here's a UTS flint. Look, so this was in the same container as those other things. It's the quality of the flint. It's not been, it's just been exposed to air. Let's see. This still works. Still sparks. But you see it has degraded some. Whereas these flints, they just completely disintegrated. Yep, thanks for watching.